We'll guide you through how to upload shorts on YouTube from a PC or laptop. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on my PC or laptop, and you want to upload a short. We're going to guide you through this step by step. So as you probably know on YouTube, you've got normal YouTube videos and you've got YouTube shorts. Technically, they are still a type of video, but they're known as shorts. So shorts are really a great way of growing your channel, as often you can go and get good reach on them because they go and appear in the short shelf and people are often scrolling through them. So they're a great way of reaching a different audience potentially. So we're going to guide you through how you can go and upload one. First of all, there are some requirements for your short. So first of all, it needs to be in the 9:16 format. What this means if I go and open this up is that it's going to go and be vertical, as you can see. So make sure it's in this format like so. And what you can also do is it needs to be below 3 minutes, 180 seconds. If it's longer than that, it will go and upload as a normal YouTube video. And if you go and make it horizontal, so it's the 16:9 ratio, then it's going to upload as a normal video as well. That's really important. So there are some key requirements there. Otherwise, it will not be a short. So it needs to be in the 9:16 format, and also it needs to be less than 180 seconds, which is 3 minutes. So when those things are met, then what you can do is go and open up a web browser. Let me go and open up Chrome. You can come and use a different browser and come to youtube.com. And then what you can do is go and press your profile icon in the top right and make sure you're signed in first of all. If you're not, you can go and press sign in and make sure you're using the right channel as well. You can see it at the top here, switch account if needed. And then when you're ready to go and actually start uploading it, what you need to do is go and press create in the top right. Now, to go and upload shorts on a PC or laptop, you actually use the same button, upload video, and you're then going to get taken to your studio, and you can press select files. And now what we need to do is go and locate it. So let me just go and find it. I went and put it on my desktop, GuideRealm short, here it is. You can select it and press open. Now, when a short meets the requirements, it's going to be automatically detected as a short. That's really key to know. You can go and know that it's been detected as a short because, for example, here it will go and say you can change the thumbnail in the YouTube mobile app. If it was a normal video, you'd be able to go and change it here. So that's a sign that it's a short, and I'll go and show you other ways you can confirm it's a short in a moment as well. So you can go and add in a title, of course, make it something interesting or what the video is about. I'll just name it GuideRealm. Add in your description. You can go and add it to playlist if wanted. Choose the audience, it's not made for kids, and you can go and press show more if needed. Then we can go and press next in the bottom right, and you can go and add a related video. So you can go and connect it to a normal YouTube video, like a long form one, and add subtitles if you want. Then press next. It'll go through the initial check phase. You can see it's got 5 minutes left. Press next again. And you can then go and choose if you want to make it private. So only you and people you choose can watch your video, share it privately, unlisted so any of the link can watch it, or public. So anybody can see it and it'll go and be appearing on the short shelf, etc. You can also schedule it if you want to as well. I'll go and set it to public and press publish. I will press publish anyway. Usually I'd recommend you go and wait for the checks to be completed though. Now, when you go and press close, you're going to know that it's a short because when you press short at the top of content on your studio, it'll go and be in this section here. That's it. Leave a like if you found this useful.